Hello everybody, this is Mike G, MP Grim 2 with M2 Mods from over at Ram Forum. And as you know, I'm kind of starting to get into some of the 5th gen stuff a little bit. I don't usually like to build harnesses for stuff I haven't put my hands on, but I have had a little bit of leeway with a dealer that's letting me take a closer look at the couple vehicles on the lot. And I've got here a 2500 Foglight harness, and I know some of y'all, some of the directions for the upgrade kit on like the 5th gen 1500 and the LED, the 25 and 3500s have the option of putting LEDs in them. Now Mopar, sometimes the engineering prowess that they are, when you switch over or do the upgrade from standard halogen bulbs to LEDs, in their infinite wisdom, they decided to put, I don't know if I can see this here, but pin 1 over on the left is our positive on a halogen bulb kit, and ground is pin 2. Now, for some reason, when you put in the LED upgrade kit, their upgrade kit on the 1500s tells you that you have to repin this connector at each of the bulbs, because they didn't think to build the harness to be compatible with the LED bulb set. And so they could have just swapped the pins at the factory, built this harness, which these are getting kind of hard to get for the 5th gen 2500s right now, and it would work with halogen bulbs in the fog lights and the LED bulbs. But the installers got to figure this out, and I want to do this video here to show you how to flip them around. The 1500 LED upgrade kit has pictures showing you how to do it and directions as part of the steps for the upgrade kit. And sometimes the video is just a little bit better, and I've got people getting this, the rest of the harness for this, going back to the BCM that I'm starting to make now, and they're going to run into this at some point. Hardest thing about this 1500 harness on these 5th gens, or sorry, 2500, is this 16 pin specialty connector, which has been extremely hard to get. I've been trying for about a year to source these because I knew this was coming, and lo and behold, I've got them. It took me a while when they're keyed correctly, but it will go together, and I've got all the terminals and stuff for this now, so I can start doing this right instead of cutting this off and modifying it to make it work. So I can start doing that going forward. So without further ado, I'll show you how this goes, and I'm going to show you the proof here briefly. I've got a schematic pulled up to show you. All right, folks, there it is, and you can see here, this is for a 3500 truck. But where is this at? Here's a good example. See, pin 1 is positive coming off the BCM up top here, and pin 2 on the bulb is the return or net ground side. Then you go look over here, and they flipped it. Pin 2 and pin 1 are backwards, and you see down here, see it says LED. If they just built the harness that way, it would have been all good. But for some reason, some engineer somewhere didn't think about this. Anyway, we'll show you how to repin this real quick.